Thinking about upgrading to the latest Pixel? In this video, we're exploring the best Google Pixel 10 series options designed to deliver powerful performance, stunning cameras, and seamless Android experiences. Whether you're eyeing the standard Pixel 10, the Pro, or the Fold, we'll help you find which one fits your needs best. Let's dive in and see what makes the Pixel 10 series stand out in 2025. Number 1. Google Pixel 10. Imagine holding a phone that feels like it's built for your everyday life, yet powerful enough to keep up with everything you do. That's what the Google Pixel 10 delivers. From the moment you turn it on, the Tensor G5 chip makes every action smooth, fast, and intelligent. At the same time, Gemini AI takes your experience to another level, helping you plan, create, and even answer questions instantly. You'll love the upgraded triple camera system featuring a 5x telephoto lens and up to 20x super res zoom, which brings distant subjects closer without compromising detail. Low light photos? Night sight makes them stunningly clear and vivid. The Actua display with an impressive 3000 night peak brightness looks vibrant even in direct sunlight, and the scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with IP68 protection gives you peace of mind wherever you go. Plus, being unlocked means you have the freedom to pick your carrier and plan. Whether you're snapping a perfect shot, multitasking with Gemini Live, or exploring new ideas, the Pixel 10 feels like a smart, reliable companion that just gets you. Number 2. Google Pixel 10 Pro. If you're looking for a phone that takes performance, photography, and intelligence to a whole new level, the Google Pixel 10 Pro is built for you. From the moment you power it on, the next-gen Tensor G5 chip makes every interaction seamless, fast, and incredibly smart. With Gemini AI at its core, this phone helps you do more, whether you're brainstorming ideas, managing tasks, or exploring the world around you just by pointing your camera. The Pro camera system is nothing short of extraordinary. 50MP clarity, 100x ProRes zoom, and super steady 8K video mean every shot and clip looks cinematic even in low light. The 6.3-inch Super Actua display with an impressive 3300 night peak brightness keeps everything vibrant, even under direct sunlight, while the durable aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 give you the confidence to carry it anywhere. And because it's unlocked, you have the freedom to choose your carrier and plan. The Pixel 10 Pro isn't just a phone, it's your creative tool, your AI companion, and your everyday powerhouse, all in one. Number 3. Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. If you want a smartphone that redefines what a flagship can do, the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL is built to impress. From its massive 6.8-inch Super Actua display with 3300 night peak brightness to the next-gen Tensor G5 chip, every moment feels faster, smarter, and more immersive. With Gemini AI, this phone becomes more than just a device. It's a personal assistant that helps you brainstorm, organize, and get things done effortlessly. The Pro camera system is where it truly shines. 50MP images, 100x ProRes zoom, and super steady 8K video capture every detail, even in challenging light. Whether you're traveling, creating content, or snapping everyday moments, it consistently delivers professional-grade results. Built with durable aluminum and Gorilla Glass Victus 2, it's tough yet elegant, and the Key 2 Pixel Snap magnetic charging gets you back to full power faster than ever. Plus, with Magic Q, your phone proactively finds the right info exactly when you need it. Being unlocked, you can choose your carrier and plan freely. The Pixel 10 Pro XL isn't just a phone, it's a powerhouse designed to keep up with your biggest ambitions. Number 4. Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. If you're ready to take your smartphone experience to the next level, the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold is here to change how you use your phone every day. The moment you unfold it, you're greeted by Pixel's largest screen yet. Perfect for multitasking, streaming, or diving into creative projects without feeling cramped. Powered by Gemini, Google's most advanced AI, this phone feels less like a device and more like an assistant, helping you organize, create, and get things done effortlessly. Whether you're editing a document while watching a video or chatting with friends while browsing, the folding design makes it seamless. Plus, being unlocked gives you the freedom to choose your carrier and data plan, making it as flexible as your lifestyle. For a limited time, you can even get an Amazon gift card when you order, but act fast. The offer only runs until September 4, 2025. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold combines cutting-edge technology, premium design, and real everyday convenience in one stunning package. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.